The okra is doing really well in the heat right now. After those very heavy rains and long cyclones, here it is. The okra is doing really well in this really scorching hot weather. Of course, you have to give them shower or watering them every day. This is the real okra now. It's been 2 days, I think. It's very soft. See guys, I show you. This is the flowers are full off today. So this is what it look like after the flowers fall off. Very soft. So this one is not the okra yet. These 4 of them have to be going and open like the real yellow flowers. And then after that, 1 day later, the okra will fall off. The okra flowers fall off and become like this. See? Fall down itself. And 2 days later or so, it turned into real okra. This is a good variety of okra. See? That's a real okra now after a few days flowering. I think 2 to 3 days or something. And so is this. This is the next one we're gonna open and it flower. See, it's look awesome and I can't wait for this little one too. And more here. And more here. Really good okra. So actually this one is a good size to be eaten. But since I don't have much, I'll make it grow for a few more days. Don't make it very too long, otherwise it'll be hardwood like a woody, not good to eat anymore. So few days, and I'm just gonna harvest this because it won't be good. So there's more okra coming, and the other side of my pots, big pot, is coming too. It's really hot, guys. See? Beautiful okra. It's a huge one, see? I'll have to top up with the soil soon because it's too much rain. And look at this, growing really well. I'll show you the other okra, guys. Over here. So this one is a flower full of. See? Here is the sample of the flowers. I saw them yesterday or 2 days ago, I think. So I just leave it, and then today it's full of itself. See? And then check it where it is because it's good nutrients for your soil. Here it is, the flowers. Here is the okra. Beautiful. Okay. It's a truck with this black ants too. Black ants, okay. More okra coming here. To focus it to you guys. Yeah, see the okra? It's beautiful. This is not the real okra, as I said. You will have to go under flowering first, the yellow beautiful color, then it will turn like this. For a few days the yellow flower been opening. Yeah, look at this. Healthy okra. I lost a lot of leaves because of too much rain. This is the okra here too. This one is standing too much rain high. Now it's hot, so it's good. It's really good. This one is adorable. This one is heaps of little flowers. They come flowering soon, and it will turn into okras. So a lot of benefits in this okra stuff. It's a Pacific Ocean people. We remember this as a childhood vegetables that we staple in our kitchen. Wow, and look at this marigold. My marigold doing really well too. It's been months since I grew this from the seeds, and look at them, guys. Beautiful plants. I'm looking forward for the flowers to emerge soon. In here, it just took over whole place, and look, my purple or light reddish or light purple Malabar. Yeah, I got only one of this, but look, that came from our friends in their yard. Mine is still grew this year, so I get one from them. But it was mine too. I planted in the yard, and look at this, guys. It's grow. It was only one big one, and all the leaves will just gone. Too much rain, and I planted it like that. It was grow like this, and now it's just turned into two. Look, because it's going good. So I gave him seaweed 2 days ago. Look at this, it's just sunny, nice, and bitular. It's really beautiful seaweed, that one. It's natural fertilizer, and of course the blood and bone. The vegetables like them. So I got white Malabar here. See, I like the other better though, this one. But I guess it's just a color, but it's just the same taste really. No difference. Yeah, this one is a little bit slow to me due to the too much rain, way too much rain last month ago. That was 3 weeks ago, but this time it's slowly recovering, and this okra is growing good as my son. So yeah, I guess that's my update, guys. My child doesn't look happy, but in the morning early it was really happy. Now it's super hot in the midday. Oh, it's actually more than midday now, guys. I stopped by here and take the photos just to update you. My ginger is looking so low. I saw my aloe vera there. Oh boy, this one is so hot. So I probably leave them out here. Right here. Good thing about the pots.